more. It's like a clown car, dude. It just keeps coming out. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got a special one for us. Got us another haul from JK, one of my top guys, one of my favorites, always hooks it up with absolutely banger products, and he has a huge catalog. So whatever you're after, chances are he probably has it, whether it's jewelry, I mean, hard to find, Jordans, he can get it all, usually up to size 13, but mainly, like, I mean, if you're size 6 to 11 typically, don't have to worry. It really only kind of starts getting iffy in the 12-13 range, and that just has to do with the popularity of that size and them not selling as many, so they just don't make that many. So typically, if you want the bigger sizes, it's good to act early. Another thing with clothing, if you don't know your size, run up to any men's tailored shop, men's warehouse, any suit shop in the mall that's close by your house. Toss them 10 bucks, ask them to take your measurements and keep it down on a piece of paper, take a picture of it or put it in your notes in your phone. That way you have it, and then you can relay that to the sellers whenever you are buying clothing items, and that ensures that you're gonna get the right size every time. A lot of stuff is just in small, medium, large, and XL. And being the size that I am, usually I just tell them XL, and most of the time it fits, you know. But if it's like a jacket or like kind of nicer stuff, like a suit or a suit top or a leather jacket, that's where having your measurements really comes in. And then, of course, they use the metric system, so you are going to need to convert your sizes from inches and stuff into centimeters and millimeters, but that can all be done online or right from your phone. It's super duper easy. And after doing all that, you're gonna get yourself some sick drip that's not only gonna not hurt your pockets, but it's gonna fit you too. All right, let's bust this bad boy open. This box, it feels like it is just loaded to the brim, so I'm excited. I think I got some really good stuff. All right, so let's start pulling stuff out here. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, there's 1, 2, 3. Look at all the chrome hearts. Yay, a new wallet. Let's see, there's more. It's like a clown car, dude. It just keeps coming out. All right, all good there. Let's start with the clothes, and then we'll work on into all this other goodies right here. I am rocking got the little chrome hearts pinky ring here, got the little diamond ring. Very cool. All right, this looks like a chrome heart shirt. Off the rip, super duper thick textures. Has the iconic crosses in orange, blue, and kind of a mustardy gold, and then chrome hearts at the bottom of that. Has the tag right there, and then if you flip it around, you're gonna get the color scheme plus green and blue on the back with the big chrome hearts at the bottom. This one is a size XL, I do believe. Let me find where the tag is. Yeah, this one is a size XL. But just kind of your classic black chrome heart shirt, can't go wrong. Gonna go with a little bit of everything. Let's see if I can't fold this bad boy up here. There we go. Chrome Hearts tee, super duper sick. And then looks like I got some Chrome Heart shorts as well. This one says 2X. So these look like they're a little bit longer of a short, kind of like a beach short, kind of chilling right above the knee. then what kind of logo we rocking with here? Just a singular cross right there. Singular cross. I kind of like that, just real subtle, not too much going on. These are sick. Perfect lounge short, super soft to the touch. Feels like polyester. Got this Chrome Hearts tag right here. Anything else going on with these? Got the tag. Nah, these are so soft. I mean, they feel like the Lululemon leggings almost, but they're kind of loose fitting. I'm curious to put these on to see how long they are on me, because they are, like I said, just a longer sweat pant. But of course, I live in Oklahoma, so the temperature can be 35 in the morning and 85 in the evening. So, you know, can't go wrong with kind of a tweener, longer short. I do typically wear a little bit, not short shorts, but definitely above the knee. But, you know, I'm open to try all types of new stuff. These, not quite as long. These are going to be Louis Vuitton. And it looks like Chrome Hearts collab with Louis Vuitton. I'm not even sure if that is a thing that has occurred, but maybe it is to come, and we're kind of getting a little look. Got the Louis Vuitton right here on the pocket. Just classic. These ones are more sweat short material. They're not the nylon feeling, Lululemon feeling that the last pair was. This is just your classic cotton sweatpants. So this one's probably going to shrink a little bit, maybe get a little bit of a fade, but honestly, that kind of just gives it some flavor and some style, in my opinion. And then you got this classic, I guess that isn't classic, it's going to be brand new Louis Vuitton Chrome Hearts right there on the bottom. So I haven't heard about this. When I did see these, I went ahead and got them just in case they were ahead of the curve, but after doing some Googling, it didn't really seem like it was actually going to be a thing. So, yeah, let's keep her moving. I think those are sunglasses, and I think this is jewelry. So let me pet the dog real quick. And let's bust open what's gonna be my third Goyard card holder. Very nice here. Open her up. And I say third just because I love this style so much. And I mean, I've had the other one for about 2.5 years. And I mean, every single day it's in and out of my pocket. So it seems a little bit of wear. It has a little bit of separation in the big central pocket. But I've had two now, so let's see. Yeah, this one's not, this one isn't. I mean, it's still good, but it's a little bit different than the one that I have. So instead of brown, this one's kind of more just black and gray right here. But it still looks good. Gonna be nice, high quality leather. One thing that I've seen happen is this orange piece will separate from this outer leather strip, and that's what's going on with mine right now. But I forget how nice these things are brand new. Feels really good. Says the Goyard Paris in there. And then of course up at the top it's embroidered. Looks super duper nice. Smells like high-end leather. Man, that smells good actually. It smells really good. Nice. So, like I said, I'm on my second one. I've had it for 2.5 years, and it's about time to roll it over into the new one. So, super duper pumped to get this. Shout out to JK, hooking it up as always. Got the stuff you want, got the stuff you need. You're gonna leave happy, or I guess you're gonna finish your order happy. I don't think there's anything in here. Let's utilize this box. Came with this little plastic card right here as well. It says Goyard Paris. And this is in French, so I'm not going to bother trying to read that, but I am going to bother opening these Chrome Heart sunglasses, so let's get to it. Came with the black leather pencil case that I love so much, and then also Chrome Hearts dust cloth, Oh yeah. We love a good high quality zipper, don't we? All right, let's see what we're working with here. Okay, see kind of a tortoise off the rip, nothing else in there. Damn, these are kind of sick. Oh, there's crosses in the frames too. Oh, I still have some plastic on. Check that out. That looks sweet. I have a feeling these are like straight Tony Montana when I'm about to put these on. Sometimes that's what you gotta do, you know? I really love it has this fog to where like the plastic covering on the tortoise isn't just clear. It kind of has a slight little fog. Let's see if I can try to hold that still. Maybe. Can you kind of see? I'm gonna do a short with these two. So that little metal strip in there has the crosses on it. I'm just not sure if it's focusing. I can't really tell. But let's strip them naked and put them on and see how we feel about them. Damn, these are fucking gas. Oh, I mean, these are cool. These are really cool. It has this almost like medieval knight shield logo thing on the corner. Looks very, very cool. I'm just afraid that these lenses are gonna be a little big for my face. That's why I'm just trying to love them for a little bit longer before I put them on and don't like them on my face. The nose pieces are also gold and have the Chrome Hearts logo on them as well, which is a super, super sick touch. I haven't seen that yet on any of the other Chrome Hearts glasses that I've gotten. The moment of truth. Man, they feel really, really good on your face. These are really, really light. I mean, I know they look gold. Obviously, they're not going to be real gold. I think they look good. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. These feel amazing on my face. And because the nose pieces are metal, they're kind of chilled. They're like room temperature. So when I put them on, it kind of like chilled my face. I kind of love them, dude. Hell yeah. Let's go. We're going to rock them the rest of the video. One thing really, really cool about this too, if you are someone that works in an office or you're a woman who carries pens or you're in school, this is perfect size for like a pencil bag. So you can buy some Chrome Hearts sunglasses and then you'll have a Chrome Hearts pencil bag. Or you could use it for anything, you know, literally anything, but just a nice leather bag to have. This will be my second or third one. I keep the other one at my desk, and like I just mentioned, I keep my pens and my markers and extra writing utensils in it. But man, off the chain, man. Feeling good, looking good, saving money. That's what this is all about. But we're not done yet. Shout out to JK. Like I said, gigantic catalog, always hooking it up. He's over in the Discord. I got his stuff plastered everywhere over there. This looks like a necklace, and it came in this little plastic Chrome Hearts bag. I don't think there's anything in the box, and yeah, but all the box comes with like the felt stuff, so if you're gonna buy this for someone else, you can pretty much decorate it however you'd like. You get the little black bag like if you bought it at the retail store, and then the velvet dust bag. So layers and layers of packaging. Let's see what this one looks like. So gotta take these off so I can look at the coloring really quick. I feel like it's just a little bit too of a yellow gold, but honestly, just as like a little accessory, I think it looks really, really cool. So yeah, I got the freaking key to the world now. And this is Chrome Hearts, I do believe. After I'm done showing you guys, I will pull it in. Does have not too much weight to this. I'm kind of a fan of the Mardi Gras ball chain, to be honest. This does have Chrome Hearts branding right there. I'm not sure if you can Pick that up. There it is on there. And then on the actual key itself, the ring at the top that holds it does say Chrome Hearts, but nothing on the actual key itself. So yeah, but I think it looks pretty cool. I think it's big enough I can just slide her on. Oh yeah. So compared to my Cuban, I mean, the color's pretty good. Color is pretty good. It just doesn't have too much weight to it, so it doesn't really feel like real gold. But nonetheless, super sick. Came with all this super sick packaging as well, so you can't go wrong with that. JK is going to hook you up. As you saw too, he's going to be cost effective. He's going to jam pack the box, so you don't have to worry about, you know, the shipping fee being astronomical. He knows how to be frugal in the packaging and get everything to you and not break the bank. Looks like we have one more Chrome Hearts necklace here, and this one I'm a big fan of. I do have another one very similar to this. So I was born in June, so my birthstone is like this pinkish color. So I got that, and then instead of the silver this time, I got it on the gold. So very cool. And then it kind of has this barbed wired cork kind of fish eyelet chain going on. And if you can see, it has the big cross with the pink diamonds, the little cross, and then there's this little square piece that also has some Chrome Hearts branding, so you could put that on a different necklace or something. It says 199S925. So very cool. All of these do just have your classic crab claw clasps, you know, nothing too fancy going on there. But typically, you know, I put it on, I don't take it off. I think I'm actually going to put this gold little baby cross on my little one because I have the little silver baby cross right now. But yeah, can't go wrong. Like I said, JK Fung, hooking it up, always going to get you a good price. They're going to get you the stuff in a timely manner, and the stuff you get is going to be of top quality. You've seen it here first. So yeah, thanks for tuning in today. I'm Jeff Robe, and I'll be back soon when I got some more stuff for you.